okay? And keep that on your lap.
Okay.
Keep it on your lap because you're gonna want to keep it on your lap. And you're probably gonna wanna take this. Let's see if we can get that like. Yeah, do it like that, and I can get another one for your end, okay? Because we don't have the dispenser, are you familiar with our dispenser?
Yeah, it's like an acrylic dispenser. Yeah.
Yeah, they will put monomer in it, but the benefit of the dispenser is that whatever you pump out doesn't go back in.
Right.
And very, very little waste, okay? So when we're doing this process, you can apply it, and you're just gonna brush it on his calloused areas. You can apply it. We say wait 10 seconds. I like to kind of massage it in just a little bit to speed it up. It really doesn't take 10 seconds, and then just start filing.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you do that, and we're gonna do some cuticle work on him as well. Okay, so you've never used this before, right?
No.
Okay, so you're going to, we have a dispenser that works really well. When you dispense it, tip of your brush, because you don't need much, and just wherever her calloused areas are, her dry skin, right down here, right in here, you know, in here, just apply it all the way around. Processing time is about 10 seconds, but it really happens sooner than that. So I like to take it and then just kind of massage it, and then just use the smooth side of the file
Okay.
and start filing